How to screen share on TikTok live stream. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can screen share on TikTok live stream. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to go live in TikTok, there is a certain requirement. First of all, you need to have at least 1,000 followers in order to go live on TikTok. Since I don't have 1,000 followers and I can't go live on TikTok, I'm just gonna basically tell you on how you can screen share on your TikTok live stream. So let's begin. First thing is, open up your live stream panel at the bottom toolbar of the app if you have that feature. After that, toggle from your device to your mobile gaming. After that is done, what you need to do is you can select the game that you want to stream. Note that TikTok has forbidden any type of screen share outside of a mobile game, so make sure to keep that in mind. After that, before going live, go into your settings on the bottom and then add any moderators that you want. Then you may set up live gifts, handle your mute settings, select keyword filters, and more. So therefore, that's how you may share your TikTok on your live stream. So just follow the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.